In fact, I managed to strip out these two bolts. No idea how to get them out. Hello everybody and welcome to day 35 of my Öster restoration. While I'm now waiting for the replacement engine being delivered, I have decided to work on the transmission, and the first challenge will be to get this somehow onto the table. So this should prevent the belt from slipping off. The gearbox used in my car is a CF6HP26. The CF6HP transmissions were the first 6-speed automatic gearboxes available for a passenger car. The CF6HP was introduced with the BMW 7 Series E65 as the ugly one in 2001, and already 1 year later made its way to Jaguar. I want to do a full overhaul, a full rebuild. I already purchased OE frictions, OE steels, an OE oil pan including the filter, OE replacement solenoids, and an OE overhaul kit including all the rubber parts. Furthermore, I will install new bushings. These are only available as aftermarket parts, but since bushing wear is the main issue of these transmissions, they will of course come new. And now let's take this thing apart. In the first step, the oil pan has to come off. It's attached to the transmission housing with 21 Torx 27 bolts. In fact, I managed to strip out these two bolts. No idea how to get them out there. Let's try to save my day with my favorite tool, the water pump pliers. try to cut this plastic part open and get the bolt out this way. Wow. Maybe this will crack anyway here. I just don't want to crack the housing. Okay, that's it. Yes. I'm not happy about the little damage I caused here, but since the seal is running on the inside, that's only an optical issue. In the next step I will unscrew the valve body or mechatronic unit with its solenoids. To be able to do this, I first have to pull this tab to release a plastic sleeve that connects the valve body to the outside. They used Torx bolts of two different sizes here. The smaller ones, the T27, connect the two halves of the valve body together, while the T40s attach the valve body to the transmission housing, and I of course will now only unscrew the T40s. But since oil and Torx, as we experienced before, are not a too good combination, I will put the housing fully on its back to be able to apply pressure, because if one of these bolts is stripped, I don't know what I can do. The 3 bolts on the solenoid side are short, the other 7 are longer ones. Yes, and obviously the valve body is fully detached and I can just lift it out. I had planned to disassemble the transmission at least into its main components, but as you could see, there have been issues with the oil pan. It's Saturday, my girlfriend is waiting, and I still have to edit today's disaster. So we'll start with the actual teardown next time. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. See you back on my channel. Goodbye.